everyone, team. Let me start today's session. Uh, just a second, team. Let me start the recording for the day. So once again, good evening, everyone, team. And first of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech software trainings to every one of you. So today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the today's demo team, let me inform you something very important. See, today in this demo, we have mix of participants attending the session team. Like we have the participants from recent college passed out, I mean to say, who recently completed their education and planning to start their career in the IT industry by learning a good technology in the market. And we have the participants joining today from other non-IT backgrounds. I mean to say they might be working into marketing, they might be working into sales, or they might be working in banking, or they might be working in recruitment or traditional HR jobs, whatever it might be, team. People from non-IT backgrounds planning to switch their career to IT, they are also joined today, team. And we have the participants joining today who already working in IT industry but into some other domain areas, some other technologies they might be working till now. Now they want to plan or they want to switch their career into this Oracle applications team. And we have also some candidates who already having prior ERP application experiences. Might be they working for PeopleSoft or eBusiness Suite or Salesforce or SAP. Now they are planning to move their career into Oracle Fusion applications team. And we have some candidates who completed their graduation on their education and having a career gap 3 years or 4 years or something like that. Why? Because before today's demo session, some of you have already reached out to me and we had a discussion team. And I came to know we have mix of participants attending the session today. By keeping everyone interest in mind, we have muted every one of you team. At the end of the session, we will be having a Q&A round. I mean to say, I will be talking with each one of you. If you have any questions in meantime, when the session is happening, please park your questions team or please note it down. I will be taking each one of your questions at the end of the session. Because if I start taking the questions in between, some people will get distracted because the questions that one person might have might not be suitable to other person. So the flow will get missed in between, and whatever the things that I planned out for today's demo, we might get delayed team. So please park your questions. If you have anything, I will have a detailed one-on-one Q&A at the end of the session team. So before starting the session for today team, I can tell you one thing, maximum 80% to 90% of your questions, what you have after this demo, they all will get addressed team. In this session for the next 1.5 hours, what we are going to have, maximum of your questions will get addressed. What usually people will have, the very first common question, what is this technology is about? Will it be suitable to me or not? Can I learn this technology without having any prior experiences or without having any coding language requirements? Can I learn this technology? I have a long career gap, Kumar. Can I learn this particular course? And what sort of companies will recruit you once you learn this technology? And what will be your career down the line in next 10-15 years if you start your employment with this application? These type of questions commonly I will be getting from the students team. I will be addressing all that in today's demo. So by end of the session, I can assure you at least 80% of your questions in your mind will get clear with this demo team. So please mute. I mean, already we muted anyhow. So please focus for the next 1.5 hour team and enjoy the session. Okay. Today, as it is a demo, slightly we will be stretching team because already we started 5 minutes late for other peoples to join, and slightly 15-20 minutes we will be extending team. But from tomorrow, regular classes will be starting. Timings will be sharp 8 to 9 p.m. 1 hour per day it will be. I'm going to explain you what are the timings, what will be the course curriculum, what is the duration of this particular program, what support you will be getting from me. That all we will see team in this demo today. So before starting the demo for today team, again, I want to welcome every one of you to TrioTech software trainings, and thank you everyone for taking your time to attend today's demo team. So today in this demo, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding experience, with zero coding knowledge, and with non-IT experiences. The common point, every one of us hesitated in IT industry, coding. So how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner or a fresher or a non-IT experienced person without having any prior IT experiences, that too with a zero coding knowledge. What if I tell you there is one such technology in the market offered by Oracle, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team? Yes, it is a completely zero coding application as I'm mentioning here team. So we are going to see in today's demo mastering that Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. We will talk what is this application is about, who will be using this application in the market for what purpose, and once we learn this technology, what we will be doing in the companies, what type of companies will recruit us for what sort of work to perform. That all we are going to see in today's demo team. So before going to the agenda for today, let me explain you just a second, team. Before getting into further topics, can any one of you please confirm, am I audible to everyone? Taresh Mehra, you are asking, is it started? Session started. Yes, thanks. Thanks for confirming. I hope everyone able to hear my voice, right? Thank you. Thanks. Fine, fine, team. I got confirmation. Thanks for that. So now, before going to today's agenda team, let me introduce briefly about myself, who I am, what experience I am having in this technology, and what certifications that I hold in this particular technology team. So as I already mentioned team, my name is Kumar. I am the director for TrioTech software trainings, and also I'm a trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in TrioTech. I'm a Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of experience team. And from last 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting. So total 14 years of industry experience I'm having team. Out of that, from last 12 plus years, I've been part of this IT consulting team. Coming to this Oracle Fusion applications team. Coming to Oracle Fusion applications team. From the last 9 years, from 2015 onwards, I've been extensively associated with this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. I worked for close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering multiple legislations team. Coming to the clients that I worked for, I worked for the clients, they are based out in US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and now also I am working for one of the global implementation for one of the MNC in the market team. So this is my implementation experience with this particular technology team. Close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects or rollout projects or upgradation projects have been part of team. And as I told you, I am a certified implementation specialist team. I've been certified with all the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. And by myself, I'm also a corporate trainer who delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies' team. When I say corporate trainings, in general, in our TrioTech, every month I will be having the batches on HCM. But a part of that, we've been associated to the companies as well, team, where this application is being used. The companies will ask for the training of their employees team. So I have also delivered 25 plus corporate trainings to several employees across different organizations team. Some of them, if I have to name, uh, are well known company that Arabindo, DHL, MX, that is American Express. We have many companies that which have trained their employees in this technology team. And I am also a Oracle University trainer, and I conducted several training programs in Oracle University as well with respective to Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Some of my videos you can find in Oracle University as well. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee team. Currently also, as I mentioned, I'm working for an MNC along with my training, and I've been part of one of the global implementation happening team. I'm acting as a solution architect for one of the global project happening currently. So this is a brief intro about myself. So let me quickly move on to today's demo agenda. What we are going to learn in this today's session team. Today, first we are going to see introduction to ERP team. See, experienced people who already know about ERP, that is okay team. But considering freshers and other non-IT people, I will give here a brief intro about what is ERP, what are the different products that are available in the market currently under this ERP family. That all we will see here, team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Fusion applications evaluation team means what? What is this Fusion application means? For what purpose these applications will be used in the market? And when these applications introduced by Oracle in the market, prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the ERP products that Oracle having? The entire background of the Fusion applications, I will explain you here, team. Then I will talk about types of companies involved. Any software technology in the market you take, understanding of this is very much needed when you're learning a particular course or technology. Means what, team? Straight away, if I talk, this is Fusion, this is what the setups will be, this is what the configuration, you won't understand. First of all, we have to know what are the types of companies involved in the usability of any product team. Here I will explain you who is the vendor company, that is Oracle Corporation selling this product. It's owned by Oracle. Who will be the client or the customer company? Who is the consulting company? Once we learn this technology, in which companies we will be recruited on what basis, that I will introduce to you here, team. Types of companies involved. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases team. Fusion environment releases team. It means the release versions. Every software will have a release version. Our Android mobiles you take or Apple mobiles you take, we have, right, Android 7.1 to 8.1 or iOS 10.1 to 10.6 or Windows laptop you take, team. Windows 7 to Windows 8 or Windows 10, how the software sequences are getting upgraded. Even our Fusion application also will be getting upgraded team. Okay. So here I will talk about Oracle Fusion applications environment releases team. When Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version they came up with in early days? Now we are in 2024 October. Till today, how the application evolved over that time? What is the latest version that Oracle Fusion applications are currently? Upgradation policy, that all I will talk here, team. Then I will explain you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Many of the students asking me, Kumar, when we came to know about this technology from our friends, colleagues, or some brother of mine referred this technology and asked to learn. People asking me, what is functional, what is technical in this? That is very important point everyone should understand, team. Before learning a particular course, knowing detailedly about that technology is very important. Here, I'm going to ice break you on that. What is functional, what is technical in this application, how many modules or concepts we have in total in this technology. To get a job or to survive in the market, how many modules that you should learn, and what we are covering as part of this training program, that all I'm going to explain you here, team. And then I will talk about career opportunities in this technology. What sort of designations, what sort of roles that you will be recruited in the market, what type of companies. Do freshers have calls in this technology, or 2 to 3 years experience if you are keeping, do you have calls in this technology? These are some of the questions people will be asking to me, right? So I will be talking about career opportunities in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And then I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository, how to access standard Oracle documents in the internet, where we have to go, how to access. We are going to provide for every module customized material from TrioTech. What I prepared, I will be giving to you. On top of that, Oracle standard documentation to study, where we can get that Oracle guides and all. I will navigate and I will show to you, team. And then I will talk about Oracle certification process. Some of you asking me, certification is mandatory, Kumar, particularly in India. When we learning this technology and when we dropping our resume in the Naukri portal, certification will companies look for. Okay, that all I will explain here, team. If anyone want to do certification, what is the process, what is the cost of that, what support we are going to give you for clearing that, I will talk here, team. And finally, we will conclude today's session with why TrioTech software trainings and why Kumar that you should prefer as a trainer for this domain. So here I will explain the course features, the duration of the program, fee details, and also we have an early bird offer as well, team. Considering as a Diwali festival, we are having an early bird offer for day one enrolled participants. I'm going to explain you that as well, team. So I'm going to start with the very first topic for today. Meanwhile, our admin team will be reaching out to you with a Google Form link, team. So people who are interested to join this program, please fill the Google form so that after the session, our team will be reaching you out in the WhatsApp team. Without filling the Google form, we cannot get your details. So please fill the Google form parallelly, team. I'll be starting the very first topic for today's session, Introduction to ERP. But much before to that, one common question people having out of the participants joined today, at least 50% of you having this question in mind. Am I eligible to learn this course? You might be from any background. Am I eligible to learn this course? For whom this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team? If you could see this slide, if you fall in any of these criteria, then you are eligible to learn this course team. First of all, if you are in your final year of degree, if you want to pursue a new age IT application which will have a long lasting career, then you are eligible to learn this course team. Any degree. I'm not talking about only BTech grads or MTech grads. The best thing we have is companies do recruit the candidates from any graduation. You might be from BTech, BCom, BBA, BSc, MCom, MSc, whatever it is team. Companies are ready to take in this technology if you have a good knowledge in this domain. No education barriers here to start your career in IT. From any degree, people can able to join this technology and join the organization team. And if you have just completed your graduation, don't know what to do, which technology to opt, many technologies are there. AWS, Python, DevOps, okay, Azure, many technologies are there. Confused about that, which is suitable to you, then this technology is 100% very good technology in the market team. And if you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current unstable job, I mean to say here team, non-IT people, people working as a recruiters, people working as a HR admins, or in finance, in marketing, sales, or in other areas team. Now they want to make your career in IT with good package. In the next 4 to 5 years, you want to land upon 25 to 45 lakhs per annum CTC, then this technology having the doors open team. It's not exaggeration. We have seen many candidates, testimonials, and we kept this point team. Currently in the market, a person with 4 to 6 years of experience in this domain drawing this level of CTC's team. So people from any degree, any background can learn this course team. And as I told you, this is a completely non-coding application, zero coding application team. You no need to learn any prerequisites before this. I mean to say, you don't need to have any basics of Java, Python, PLSQL, JSON, XML, nothing. No prerequisites to learn this course. Everything will be taught from very basics here, team. I'm going to teach you and I'm going to make you comfortable. That I can able to assure you, team. Moreover, it's a zero coding application. Means plain functional application, team. Already Oracle designed it. We have to configure it only according to our client requirement. So if you fall in any of these criteria team, then definitely you are eligible to learn. So the point, non-IT people, non-tech background people, anyone can learn this course team. Now let me go to the concept of ERP. What is ERP team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. If you see that ERP is an acronym that stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, human resource activities team. What do you mean by ERP? See, you take any company in the market team, any well-known companies that you know, Tata, Reliance, Cisco, Amazon, Apple, any company that you know team, you take it as an example. In every organization, different business processes are involved. In every company, there will be a HR business area team, human resource department or the business area, where they are responsible of managing the entire employees in the organization. In every company, there will be a finance department or a business area. They are responsible for company payables, company receivables, their debits, credits, everything. And if it is a manufacturing company, they have supply chain department from procuring the raw materials to making the finished goods and selling in the market team. Then procurement, then sales. Every company in the market, if you take team, several business processes are involved team. So in order to conduct all these business operations, companies requires modular tech-based software application. For example, come to human resources team. In any company, what is the role of human resources team? What HR department people will do in any company? Every one of us know, experience it, even freshers also we know. If you are applying for a job in any company, who will be the person? HR of that company will recruit you, correct? Entire employee management in the organizations will be taken care by the HR department team. So, in order to conduct that HR operations, when I say HR operations team in every company, starting from hiring to retirement of the employee, the recruitment, onboarding of the employee, their leaves every month, their payroll every month, paying the salaries, their compensation, benefits, everything involved team. So in order to handle all these HR operations team, any company requires a modular or a tech-based software applications team. You can ask me, Kumar, now you are telling Fusion HCM is there. What about in past 15 years back, 20 years back, or 30 years back? See, the traditional way is manual team. Everything used to maintain manual. Even now, small companies, okay, 20%, 20 employees only company having, 50 employees they're having, 60 employees they're having. They can manage manually team. They can maintain it in the Excel. How many employees working, for how many people present today, how many people absent today. They can take manual attendance, everything. And salary also, manual calculation they can do and they can pay. But if a company have 2,000 employees, 5,000 employees, 20,000 employees, 30,000 employees working team. Will it be able to manage manually all these things? We can't manage. So organizations require tech-based software applications team. ERP is a category or a family. Under that ERP family, several companies offering several business process management software team. One such product, one such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So we are going to learn about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means what team? Human Capital Management. This is a HR related software application team where companies will be using in order to manage their HR activities. Now people will ask me, Kumar, if we learn this course, we will be working as a HRs in the market. If we start as a HR, we don't have good packages, no, Kumar. No, we are not starting our career as a HR's team. This is a software application, IT application, which serves the HR business area team. We are going to work as a software engineers in this technology in so-called IT companies in the market. Okay. So ERP is a category or a family team. Under that, many products are available in the market. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion applications. We have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Northgate, Pegasus, we have Workday. Many applications are there, team. To make you clear, all the other ERP applications also I kept here, team. Now we are going to learn one such ERP product, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So in any organization team, in order to handle the HR related business activities, we will be having our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. So this is about the introduction to ERP team. Then moving on to what is Oracle Fusion application. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, how best you describe Fusion applications? Fusion applications can be best described as they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options team. When I say they built on open standard based platform, for some of the technical people, I kept this points team. Oracle backend schema, the application backend team, Oracle SOA. These all are the individual technical tools available in the market team. WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center portal, identity management. These all are the different individual technical tools available in the market team. Fusion applications built on all these technologies team. The backend of the system, the backend of the Fusion application using all these technologies team. Then Fusion applications built on best business processes. What I mean here, team, built on best business processes. Now we have to talk about team Fusion applications evaluation path. Means team, prior to 2006, very important point team, prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP products in the market team. Oracle's own existing ERP tool was EBS, Oracle E-Business Suite. PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation team. Prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP products available in the market team. But during that time, there was a concern team. None of the applications in the market good at all the business areas team. If you take Oracle's e-business suite team, EBS is very good at Fusion Financials team. Very good at financials team in the financials business area. Hyperion is one tool which is very good at reporting area. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. And PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our human resource business area team. But none of the applications during that time was good at all the business areas team. So what Oracle did team in the year 2006, when team in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these products in the market team with $18 billion acquisition. Oracle purchased PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, EBS, right? And they have taken the best knowledge from best applications team. From PeopleSoft, HR business area knowledge, Oracle taken. From JD Edwards, procurement and financials knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. From eBusiness Suite, financials knowledge. By taking the best knowledge from the best applications during that time, they built this Oracle Fusion applications team. In the year 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into open world. 2006, Oracle acquired these companies and these products team. And in the year 2011, Oracle announced the Fusion applications in the market team. From then, it's a game changer in the ERP segment. Now we can say proudly, Fusion applications are very matured, very stable in all the business areas team, in HCM, in financials, in supply chain, in CRM, in PPM, across all the business areas team, Fusion applications is very much stable. Now, some of you might get a question immediately. Kumar, we are in 2024. You are telling that in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications. Are we learning any outdated tool? Is it really having good demand in the market now? Absolutely yes. What is that team? In 2011, Oracle introduced this applications team as a beta version, initial release team. Since 2015, 2016 onwards only, the actual penetration of Fusion applications into the market happened team. So from last 7-8 years, we are seeing very good penetration of Fusion application team. Penetration means many companies opting this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application as their in-house HR tool. The reason behind why phenomenally the demand for Fusion application increased team, when Oracle acquired these all companies team, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, I told you. Before Fusion, PeopleSoft is a market leader team. Across the globe you take, PeopleSoft is a market leader in HR business area. Oracle acquired that, and Oracle stopped selling all these tools now. In fact, Oracle insisting all of their existing customers who using PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, EBS to move to Fusion team. This is the future. Everyone have to move to Fusion team. So already Oracle having an existing database of customers who using their products team. Now Oracle insisting all of them to move to Fusion applications. That is the reason team. From last 3-4 years, we are seeing a phenomenal adoption of this technology in the market. But what is the advantage for us as an employee going to work in this domain? Huge resource crunch is there in the market team. Companies adopting this technology, but people who is ready to work in this technology, we have very less manpower on this domain. That is the reason companies giving 50%, 100%, 120% hikes also team. Many testimonials I have personally seen to my candidates. Person till that time working with 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs package. Suddenly companies offering 14 lakhs and 15 lakhs and they are taking. Technically, if you are sound, companies ready to take with very good amount of hike team. No standard HR policies here. Only 10% hike we will give, 12% hike we will give. Nothing like that. Because we don't have quality or we don't have qualitative employees working in this domain as such in the market team. So we have very good opportunity in that area team. If we be strong in this domain, if we are technically sound in this domain, getting a job is not a big deal. Only thing is right guidance and right approach, how to reach the recruiter, how to get our profile screened is only thing you have to manage team. That we are going to help you out. So that is a point I kept here. Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. So Oracle taken the knowledge from all these applications and they built this Fusion applications team. And they can be deployed through selection of options in cloud hybrid models team, on-premise cloud like that. So what do you mean by cloud team? And also I'm using a word frequently, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. See team, traditional mode of using the software applications are on-premises team. Means what? When you buy a product, you in the sense when any company want to buy a product from any vendor team, any supplier, I mean to say, they used to buy the application, they used to buy the server, and they used to install that application in the server in their office premises team. Database administrators are required, network engineers are required, system admins are required, security specialists are required. Everything used to maintained by the company's team. Okay, prior to the cloud technology, it was on premises, means in your office premises. Any company, when they buying the product from Oracle, they used to buy the server and they have to install that server in their office premises and application to be installed in that team. But now the entire landscape of IT applications changed with the cloud-based technology. When I say cloud team, everything is hosted over the internet. The perfect example, if you want to access your Gmail, what you will do team, just you will go to Google, type your gmail.com, user ID, password, and you can access your Gmail, correct? Or you want to access Facebook, what you will do, you will go to Google, type facebook.com, user ID, password you will give, you will able to log into the system. Fusion applications also on a cloud-based technology team. When any company buy this product from Oracle team, they don't need to get any server, they don't need to install anything, nothing. The application will be delivered just in the form of this URL, just like this team. We can go to any of the browser, just give the user ID and password for the login link, click on sign in, you can able to access the Fusion applications team. See, this is the Fusion applications team, the look and feel. I will explain this in tomorrow's session team. What is a Fusion application, how to access, how to log in, what are these home screen features and all. But see, did I run any software in my laptop? Nothing. Just a link I passed in my Google search engine and I could able to log in into the system team. So cloud-based technology means that one. Any software that is hosted over the internet. That is also one of the main reason team many companies nowadays buying or opting Oracle Fusion as their in-house business process management software team. So this is about team. What is Fusion applications? Okay. Now team, I will talk about types of companies involved. This is very important team. People with already IT experience, please bear with me for 5 minutes team. I will complete this slide. You people well aware of this, but other people, they don't know. Let me take 5 minutes and explain this. Types of companies involved in the usability of this Fusion applications team. See, typically three types of companies will be there. One is service provider team. One is service provider team. And the other one is client or the customer company. And the third is team consulting company. What do you mean by service provider team? Service provider, nothing but who is selling the product. Fusion applications owned by Oracle India Private Limited or Oracle Corporation team. That is their product. Now, Oracle is the service provider team who is selling the product. Okay. Now, Oracle manufactured an application that is Oracle Fusion to serve the business process in the organization's team. Now, client or the customer companies will be coming into picture. I'm using a word, client, customer. What are they? Company who is purchasing the product from service provider and using in their day-to-day in-house operations team. For example, our very well-known Reliance Industries, every one of us know, it's an Indian MNC, correct? Now team, Reliance Industries planning to buy Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from Oracle. They want to use in their in-house HR operations team this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Reliance Industries is called as client or the customer company who is purchasing the product and who is going to use that product. They are called as client or the customer company team. Now, Reliance buying the product from Oracle team. Reliance is not an IT company. They are into geo services, they are into telecom, they are into manufacturing, they're into automobile, they're into aviation, different industries team. Now, Reliance bought the product from Oracle, but Reliance wants someone to configure the application according to their business requirement team. So here, consulting companies will come into the picture. Consulting companies means what team? Companies who is implementing the product, means configuring the product. So-called software companies in the market, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Infosys. Okay. These are the consulting companies team, software companies team. So Reliance Industries, when they buy the product from Oracle, Reliance will give the project to these consulting companies team. And these companies will implement the product. will configure the application according to Reliance requirement team so that Reliance people can use in their day-to-day HR operations team. So once we learn this technology, we will be primarily working in these consulting companies. So in all companies in the market, any IT company you take, it is a big MNC, startup or mid-level, there are projects available with every one team. So once you learn this technology as a consultant, as a software engineers in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, you will be working here in consulting companies team. So you got recruited in Deloitte. Now, when Deloitte got the project from the client or the customer team, Deloitte will be deploying you for that. You will be working for that client implementation team. So client or the customer means these people. Consulting companies means these things team. Now here service provider, I kept Oracle slash Deloitte slash Accenture like that. Kumar, you told these are consulting companies, no? See, Oracle alone cannot sell their product to the entire market team because world is very big. Oracle alone cannot sell. For example, team, every one of us know Samsung mobile you take or Apple iPhone you take team. Apple iPhone you can buy directly from the Apple store. Correct. At the same time, you can able to buy that from Bajaj Electronics, from Lot Mobiles or from Chroma. Correct. Apple iPhone, you can buy directly from Apple in the Apple store. They will sell. At the same time, that is available in different vendors also because the world is very big. Apple cannot sell their product to each one of the person in the market directly team. Same way, Oracle also team. Oracle given partnership to different IT companies team. So platinum partner, gold partner, silver partner like that. That is not required for us. But on behalf of Oracle, sometimes these IT companies also will be selling the product to the customers in the market team. Okay. That is just for your information purpose, I'm telling. So typically these are the types of companies. Service provider is Oracle. Client or the customer is who going to buy that product and using in their in-house operations team. Consulting companies means companies who will be implementing the product according to their requirement team. They are called as consulting companies. Now, moving to Fusion Applications Environment Releases team. I told you in 2011, Oracle applications introduced in the market team. Correct. In 2011, Fusion applications introduced in the market. What is the environment releases of this team? When Fusion applications introduced in the market, Oracle given the version number as R1, that is release 1 team. Okay. Since then, since then, the application got evolved. Now we are in 2024 team. Okay. Since then, the application got evolved. And now team, the Fusion application version, if you ask me, that is release 13 team. So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market, they came up with the release version of R1, release 1. Now it got evolved over the period. Now the latest version of the Fusion applications team is R13. By 2017 end and early 2018 only team, this R13 version came to the Fusion. But Oracle made R13 as a static version team. Further, they are not going to change that. Fusion means R13. So from 2017 end onwards only, we have seen the versioning of R13. Since then, this release version, they are not changing, but within that, subsequences are there, Oracle changing that. From R1 to R10, from R1 to R10 team, companies who bought the Fusion applications, okay, who bought the Fusion applications team, Oracle sold the product both in on-premise and a cloud models team. During this period of time, whoever the companies bought the Fusion applications team, on-premise and cloud, both options Oracle given team. But from R11 onwards team, close to R10 and R11 onwards team, on-premise Oracle stopped. Only Fusion applications are offering in the market on a cloud-based technology. Now, once you are learning this, whenever you're going to work team in the coming couple of months, you will be working only on the cloud-based model only team. Prior to that, system or application available both on on-premise and cloud team. But from release 10 onwards, Oracle only selling Fusion applications on a cloud-based technology only. When any company buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of this URL team. This is what the Fusion applications is about. Okay. This is what the Fusion applications is about. Just a URL team. We have to log in with our user ID and password, and we can able to access that team. Okay. Now, when it comes to Fusion environment releases team, Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy team. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Very important thing. No one will tell you this in real time. Very important. Please stay tuned, team. Don't get distracted or carry forward with some other things. And people who are attending through mobile, I request everyone, please focus, team. Okay. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy, team. When I say upgradation, what is that mean, team? See, any software will get upgraded, team. When our Android mobile software gets updated, team, from Android 9.1 to 9.5 something, when the upgrade is happening, team, what happens in the mobile? In every upgrade, some new enhancements, some new features Android will bring in the mobile team. Any existing bugs, any issues are there, they will be sorted out, team. Right? Even in our Apple or even in our Windows also. From Windows 8 to Windows 10, when upgrade happen, what happens, team? New enhancements, new features, everything brings in, team. Similarly, in Fusion applications also, team. Oracle Fusion applications is a global tool. It's not something concentrated only to the US country. Across the globe, Oracle having the customers team in US, Canada, Australia, India, Germany, okay, France, everywhere, Middle East you take, UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Oman, everywhere Oracle having their customers who using the Fusion applications team to give more better realistic experience to their users. Oracle investing a lot in improvising their application over a timely manner, because nowadays technology is getting evolving very quickly. 3 years back, what we have is not available today. We are much advanced today, right or wrong, team? 3 years back, what mobiles we use it and what we are using now today, technology is getting upgraded very fastly. So if Oracle not enhancing their application over a timely manner, they will be out of the competition. Workday is coming behind. SAP is already there. There are competitors to Oracle. So Oracle investing a lot in enhancing their application to give more better features to the customers who using team. For that matter, team, Oracle following quarterly upgradation policy. Means what, team? Quarter means what? In a year, 12 months we will have Jan to December, team. Quarter means in financial terminology, every 3 months is a quarter, team. Okay. So Oracle upgrades the application 4 times yearly, team. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade the application team. Okay, what happens every time? I'll tell you. So let us get into the system first of all, team, and let us check out what is the latest version of the Fusion application. Because when you are training, you should train in the latest versioning, team. Now we are in 2024, October 29th team. So if I go to the application team, this is all intro about the application, the look and feel, what are these icons. I will talk in tomorrow's class team. So if we come to the right side settings and action, here we have about this application team. So if I go here team, the latest version we can see here. Kumar, you told that it is R13, no? What is this coming here? Some version 24C something. Yes, team. Everywhere you see Oracle Application Development Framework, REL 13. Then Oracle Middleware Extension, REL 13. See, database compatibility, REL 13. The latest version of the Fusion Applications team, release 13, release 13 24C. Actually, 24D also came team this month, but just in the next couple of days, the application is going to get upgraded team. What is this? I will tell you. This is the latest version of the Fusion applications team. So quarterly upgrade Oracle following. So Oracle divided like this team, Jan to March as first quarter in the year. Then April to June, second quarter. Then July to September, third quarter. October to December is fourth quarter team. So Oracle divided the entire year into like this team. And they named each quarter as first quarter as alphabet A, second quarter as alphabet B, third quarter as C, and fourth quarter as D. A, B, C, D. And now team, the latest version is currently 24C we have, but this will get upgraded team. As we reached October month, the latest upgrade is 24D team. So 24 means the financial year we are in 2024 version team, the quarterly upgrade which we are in. So this is the upgrade that we are going to get in the application in the next couple of days team. The latest version will be 24D. Our application will upgrade to that team in next couple of days. Okay, 24D. So here release 13 is the release version. Every 3 months when Oracle upgrading the application, the versioning will change team. From 24C, this last quarter we are in team, October, November, December of 2024. Fourth quarterly upgrade we are going to receive, then the number will change to 24D team. Okay, 24D team. Yes, we are already in October. We are supposed to receive team, but the instance I'm going to showing you is test environment. So due to some bug issues, we have stopped that team. We requested with Oracle. 24C is there, but next week it is going to get up with 24D. Okay, and previously we used to have team 24B, and prior to that we have 24A. And next year, when we enter January 2025 team, the versioning will follow like this team, 25A, then 25B, 25C, 25D like that. So every year, 4 quarters team, 4 times Oracle upgrade the application team. And the versioning, they will go like this. The financial year that which we are in, and then the quarter upgrade that which year. So actual quarterly upgrade supposed to be now is 24D team. Okay. Kumar, what happens every time you are telling that application upgrade happen? Team, as I informed, today's demo will be slightly stretched for more 15-20 minutes. Please be on the session till the end so that you will be getting all the information about the program and all team. From tomorrow, we will have the timings between 8 to 9. We won't be extending team because after 9, I have another session to take. Today, we might expect more 20 minutes team. Please be on the call. Okay, the actual subject we are going to talk now. So every year, 4 times Oracle upgrading the application, I'm telling. What Oracle will do? Every time in the upgrade team, some new enhancements, some new features Oracle brings in the system team. And any bugs means any errors, any issues customer reported in the previous quarterly upgrades team, that fixes Oracle will brings in team. When I say new enhancements team, it won't impact our current configurations what client using team. Some basic cosmetic level features, some new functionalities in the system, they might be adding up team, but existing one, they won't be impacting team. So like that team, every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application team. When we are in the project, during this upgradation time, there are several activities involved with team. Like we have to, first of all, every quarter when Oracle upgrading, Oracle will release the document team. In this upgrade, in this module, these functionalities we are bringing in. So we have to analyze that document. We have to prepare impact analysis document and we have to share it with the client team. And Oracle will give a date when they are going to upgrade the application. During that time, we will be performing some testings in the system. Like what are the current most used scenarios that we will test a team before upgrade, and after upgrade we will do testings. We call them as regression testing, sanitary check, pre-upgrade testings, post-upgrade testings, like that. But they are too early to discuss now. When I'm going to take workshop sessions on project implementation and support team as part of the placement activity, I will be going to give you a real-time project experience here team, where I will be explaining you the real-time end-to-end project phases, what we will do from project management plan, kickoff meeting, as is study, to be study, till go live and hypercare support. In real time, how the project implementation will happen team. During this time, I will give you more information about the quarterly upgrades team. Every time when application is upgrading, what activities that we are doing, because I know some of you might be manipulating your current experiences and showcasing as if you are working in Fusion HCM and you are going to drop the profile. During that time, some real-time questions definitely you will be expected team in the interview. Not subject related, process related. In a company, how the project implementation will happen, how you will talk with the client every day, how you will collect the requirement from the client for your configurations. In each phase, what documents we will prepare. These all things might be expected in the interview team. So to give you heads up on that, I'm going to conduct a workshop session on implementation and support project overview in real time. If you are in the project, what implementation that you will be going across. If you are in a support project, what sort of work you will be doing, what is ticket, when we receive a ticket, in which what time we have to react to that, what type of ticketing tools we are using every day, how we will talk with the client. These all things we are going to tell from the point of placement preparation team. During that time, I will tell you these activities team, because now if I tell, it will be too early for you to understand team. Now everyone understand what is the upgradation policy. Quarterly upgradation policy, Oracle will follow team. Every 3 months, they will provide upgradation. During that time, the release version will change accordingly team. Okay. And what is this number, Kumar? 11.13.24.07. 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the applications in the market. 13 stands for release 13, the static version of Fusion applications team. 24 stands for 2024, the current financial year we are in. 7 stands for 24C, third quarterly upgrade, 24C. In that, first month is July. July means what team? Number 7, no? 1 to 12. July means what? 7th month, no? That is what team? So next upgrade, when it is going to 24D, the versioning will be like this team. If you want, take a screenshot and check out team. 11.13.24.10.0. 0 is common everywhere. Next upgrade, when it is moving to 24D, okay, you will have this versioning team here. 11.13.24.10. 10 means what? October, last quarterly upgrade, fourth quarter, first month is October. October means what? 10th month in the sequence. So it will come like this. So this is the sequencing policy that Oracle will follow every quarterly upgrade when they are upgrading their application team. Okay, so this is about team Fusion environment release. Now moving on to what all modules we have in this technology team. When I say Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, okay, when I say Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, we have to know what all modules we have in this technology team. Okay, and what comes under functional and what comes under technical team. So in the entire Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, if you ask me, we have the modules like this team. Let me list out all the modules in the system. We have something called core HR or global HR team, core human resource or global human resource. Then we have something called absence management. Then we have something called payroll management. Okay, payroll management. Then we have something called talent management. So when I say talent management team, we have sub modules within that. Profiles, okay, goal management, profiles, goals, performance, and succession management. We have sub modules in that team again. And then we have something called team compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules team, but we call them together, compensation and benefits. Okay. Then we have something called some advanced modules team, OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have something called OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. And we have something called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, ORC. And we have some unused, basically no customer using them much, but we have something called team help desk and safety. Okay, and HCM communicate, like that we have module available team. So in total, these are the modules we have in the Fusion applications team. What are they? Core HR, absence management, payroll management, talent, compensation, benefits, OTL, OLC, ORC, help desk and safety. A part of these modules team, we have some more concepts in the system. What are they team? Let me list out that also. We have something called team security administration. Okay. We have something called security administration. Then we have something called workflows and approvals team. Then we have something called, okay. Then we have something called customizations and personalizations team. We have something, a concept called sandbox. Okay. Then we have something called team inbound integrations. This is very important sheet that you are looking at team. Very basic understanding about the tool or the application we are going to learn about. We have something called inbound integrations team. Here we have something called HDL, that is HCM data loader. Then we have something called spreadsheet data loader. We have two tools here team. Then we have something called outbound integrations team. Okay. In outbound integrations, we have something called BIP reports, that is BI publisher reports team. BI reports we call them as, or OTBI reports or HCM extracts. We have three reports and reporting tools under outbound integration team. Then we have a concept called fast formulas. Okay. In total, in Fusion application, these are the modules and these are the concepts we have in the system. Now, what comes under functional and what comes under technical? These all modules will come under functional side of the application team. Okay. These all modules will come under functional side of the application team. Functional. These concepts will come under technical side of the application team. They are functional, these are technical. See, I will have a different opinion on this team. Usually, all training institutes, even me also, obviously, I have to do this as other people doing, included these concepts in the technical side. But actually, but actually, these three concepts will be also part of functional side only team. But market was, everyone in the market made these trainings like this team. Technical means these aspects, functional means this. Actually, functional means this. That is true. All the modules in the system comes under functional. These three concepts as part of training to have Oracle Fusion technical training separately team, we offering this as a technical part. But usually a functional consultant can able to work on this. These are also comes under technical. But we have to go along with the market. This is the bifurcation team. These are functional and these are technical in the system. Now here, what is what we'll see team? A quick walkthrough I will make you team. Core HR or global HR. In this module team, we are going to configure all our clients' organization and in fact employee hiring and employee termination. Entire employee management will handle in the core HR module team. Okay. Then we have absence management module. As we all know, in every organization, every company will provide different types of leaves to their employees team. So absence management is leave management team. So we are going to configure all our leaves that which client providing in the system, how employee can apply that entire framework of leave management we will be talking here team. Then payroll, the most needed and important for every one of us as an employees team. Every company have to pay salaries to their employees team. So we have a payroll management module where salary management in the system will be handled team. Then we have talent management team. Every company every company have to provide appraisals to their employees team. After a year that employee joined, company have to conduct some performance evaluation. Based on his performance, company have to promote or demote something company has to do. So talent management module we have in the system to serve that purpose team. Then we have compensation and benefits module. A part of payroll, if anything that we want to pay to the employee team, something like we want to pay some bonus, some overtime, some shares that company giving team, compensation module we have here. Then benefits we have team. If employee have to enroll with some mandatory insurance policies as per the government team. In India, we don't have that. But in US, in Middle East countries, if you go team, employees have to enroll with insurance team, medical insurances, health insurances and all. That all we will handle in benefits module team. Then we have OTL module, Oracle time and labor. Every company have to record employee time every day. At in time is what, out time is what. So we have punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, biometric thumb, everything will be there, right team? So in OTL module, that employee time management will be handled team. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud module team. Nowadays, if you people also have this similar kind of experience, if you are joining any organization team, company giving you some mandatory trainings to complete, some video recordings are playing, classes are coming up, then you are going through the classes, then you have to write the exam there, certificate was issued. So companies conducting several trainings to their employees team. So to conduct the trainings, online classes, everything, this Oracle Learning Cloud, Oracle offering as a module team. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, for all the recruitment activities team, like from posting a job to the job sites and getting the profiles, conducting the interviews, scheduling the interviews, then releasing the offer letter, onboarding of the employee, everything will handle in the Oracle Recruiting Cloud module team. Then we have help desk and safety. This is an internal communication tool team, like in support projects, how we have the ticketing tools like ServiceNow, or we have Zira. Within Fusion application, help desk and safety is one of the ticketing tool we have team. That is one module we have in the system. Then we have security administration team. Means whenever client using the application team, for all of their employees team, company have to give the portal access where employees can check their personal information, where employee can apply their leave, where employees can check their payslip monthly. So in security administration team, when employee hiring in the system, how the user account, how the access will be provisioned, that all we will be discussing in security team. Then we have something called workflows and approvals team. What is this team? Across every module team, when the application is being used by our client, when several transactions happening, every transaction client will expect for an approval. For example, team in absence module, my client telling me, Kumar, when any employee apply the leave, it should go to concern manager for approval. That approval management we will be handling in workflows and approvals area here team. Then we have customizations concept. Means what team? If let's say client is telling me, hey Kumar, here in the place of Oracle logo, my company logo should come. Or this background theme, I don't want this in blue color. I want it in yellow color, white color. Or this font, I don't want like this. Please change it. Or these icons, I don't want the alignment like this. Anything related to customizations of the application team, if you want to do, we have sandbox in the system. Here we are going to talk about several tools: page integration, page composer, HCM, design studio. Okay, all these things we will talk about here team. Then we have inbound integrations team. Two data migration tools Oracle given in the Fusion applications. They are HDL and spreadsheet team. Means any data that you want to bulk upload into the Fusion system, we have these two tools team. What is the usage of that in the project from the client legacy system? Means now let's say Reliance Industries bought the Fusion applications from Oracle team. Prior to this, they might be using SAP SuccessFactors as the HR tool, or they're using PeopleSoft team. Now they are moving to Fusion. When we are in the project team, from the client's existing application, my Reliance company having 50,000 employees team, all that employees data I have to migrate to Fusion system team. So for any bulk migrating of data, we have these bulk data uploading tools Oracle given. Previously, we used to have PBL also team, but it got decommissioned. Now only these two bulk uploading tools we have in HCM team. So here we have that topic. Then we have team outbound integrations in the system. These are the three reporting tools: BI Publisher Report, OTBI Report, HCM Extract. Means we configured all the modules, client started using team. So client asking me, hey Kumar, in the October month, how many employees applied annual leave? I want a report. Or in the month of October, for how many employees I paid transport allowance, can you please fetch a report? So team, any data that you want to extract from the Fusion system, we have three reporting tools available team: BI, OTBI, and extracts team here. Then we have fast formula, the most important concept in the system team. Across absence, payroll, compensation, benefits, OTL, for several calculations, several validations team, we have a concept called fast formula. So these are the total concepts we have in the system team. Now, where any prerequisite is required to learn any of these things, team? Absolutely a big no. SQL, SQL prerequisite. SQL, and everyone of you know, right? It's a language. SQL prerequisite is there only for this BIP reports in the system, team. A part of this, nowhere we required any type of languages, team. Only in the BIP reports area, because we have to write a query and we have to build a report, team. Here for BIP reports only SQL is there. But let's say, Kumar, I don't know. You're asking me to learn this now? Absolutely no, team. Because the reality we should be living. What is that, team? No one who working in this technology in the real time will have the knowledge on all the aspects, team. As we are trainers, that's a different story. We have to train the candidates. We have learned it voluntarily. But usually, people who working in this technology will not have the knowledge on all these aspects, team. So, as we are not familiar with this, we will not keep this part in the resume. We'll skip that one, team. Remaining things we will keep. So that is what I'm telling, team. This technology is a completely zero coding application. Nothing to write any code. Already application is delivered by Oracle. We are going to configure all these modules and these things in the system, team. Now, coming to types of roles in the organization, team. Many of you having this doubt. Kumar, should I drop my resume as a functional or as a technical? Typically, three types of roles in the market we are seeing as of till today. They are, team, functional consultants, technical consultants, okay, functional consultants, technical consultants, techno-functional, the most favorite to me and also for the companies as well. Techno-functional consultants. See, company to company, in one company, you might be called as consultant. In some company, you might called as analyst. You might called as some other engineer, something. But typically, these three roles in the market, you will be recruited once you trained on this team. Functional consultant, who will work only on the functional modules. Technical consultant, who will work only on the technical aspects of the system. See, core technical in the Fusion system are these things, team. Core technical. Even fast formulas will handle by functional guy. Core technical are only these things, team. If you ask me, a functional consultant will handle all these things in real time. Core technical is only this part. Unlike in e-business suite, in Fusion applications team, technical scope is very less. Functional consultant can handle maximum things, team. Core technical in Fusion system are inbound and outbound integrations, team. So if you are dropping the profile as a technical consultant, these things will be person working on. Then the most demanded in the market is techno-functional consultant. Why? Because in a project, rather than taking two people, if I take one person who knows both, that will be a cost saving to the company. That is what nowadays HR is looking at, team. When you drop a profile, when you drop a profile, companies looking at whether you are a techno-functional or not. Even if you ask me the bifurcation between functional and technical team, for example, if a project is there, 10 resources are working team in a project, let's assume for our HCM, 7 to 8 or at least 6 to 7 will be functional resources team in a project. Only 2 to 3 will be the technical resources team. Now you can understand which profile will be suitable to you. Okay. If you learn only technical team, that doesn't serve your purpose really. Because when it comes to technical, companies expecting technical with a combination of OIC like that. So learning only technical will limit your scope in your job searches also, team. In a project of 10 people, 6 to 7 will be functional team, 2 to 3 will be technical. Rather than getting into this team, you learn techno-functional, both functional and technical. Our course also intended for that. Even couple of years back, I used to offer separately team, only functional I used to teach, but that is not serving the purpose. Market is dynamic. We have to also move along with the market conditions, right? So we amended our training program as a techno-functional program team. What we are going to cover as part of this training program, please follow carefully, team. From the functional side, 5 of the modules we are going to cover elaboratively, team. Benefits we are not covering: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. 5 modules from functional, and these all technical concepts, team. These all technical concepts: security, workflows and approval, sandbox, inbound, outbound, fast formula. So we are going to cover these 5 modules from functional and these 5 modules from technical team. So this is what our curriculum is going to be. Even these really not required, team. At least 2 to 3 modules, if you are strong enough, sufficient, team. And from technical components, if you are strong enough, then also you can drop your profile as a techno-functional consultant. So BI report, you can straight away ignore, team. People who have SQL knowledge and all, that's fair enough. You can learn it. If you are not aware of this, please ignore that. Remaining topics you can keep and you can drop your resume, team. So this is what the Fusion HCM cloud application modules, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and what type of roles, team. See, as I told you already, the Fusion HCM cloud applications having very good market team means many customers opted this technology as their in-house HR tool. But people who are working in this domain, the resource lag in the market is their team. So companies are ready to pay with good package if we are technically ready and technically sound. So don't get into the confusion that something like there are no calls. And see, people asking me, Kumar, will be the recession impact in this domain? Or people tell that November, December coming, Kumar, usually US market or UK market, they have the year ends. December means their financial year closing. So the recruitment will not happen. We are not seeing that in ERP team. I'm not talking about only Oracle Fusion. Any ERP application in the market you take, we will not see any recession impact, team. Why? Because these applications are what? Business process applications, team. In order to run the show, in order to run the company, these basic software tools are required, team. In a COVID situation, company might be doing losses. For example, you take some X company, they might turn over every year some 200 crores. They might got only 50 crores. They can't stop use this application, right? Even then, because day-to-day activities are involved in this applications, team. So any recession, anything happen in the market, team, demand for the ERP applications, we have not seen that got reduced. Getting into the bench, company not having projects, we have not seen in ERP application. Until unless you are not proven in the company, you are technically very lagging in the performance, you might be kept in the bench. But as a company, having no project and keeping you in a bench, we have not seen that. Because from startups to mid-level companies to top MNCs, in every company in this technology, the projects are very well flourished, team. So getting a calls is not a big deal. Right guidance, preparing the resume in a rightly manner, and reaching out to the recruiter rightly is only lagging with the candidates, team. That we are going to help you out. You can trust me. Okay. How to prepare the resume, what points to keep in that, what experiences we have to update or manipulate in that. If you do it in a right way, team, definitely companies will be recruiting you, or the call will schedule first of all. Then the rest is within our hands. The training that what you have taken, you have to present yourself there. So we are going to train you on all these aspects, team. So now moving on to the course curriculum. Okay, the course curriculum, we have seen what all being covered. Now let me move on to the course offering features, team. What is the program details, team? See, this program is going to be for 3 months duration, team. This program is going to be for 3 months duration, team. One second, team, a second. Just a second, team. Okay. This program is going to be for 3 months duration. That is 90 plus hours of duration will be their, team. And timings will be Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. As I already told you, today is a demo session. We got slightly extended, team. But from tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, team. Saturday and Sunday, you will have the time for practicing the assignments what we are going to give. And once you get enrolled, you will be getting access to the video recordings, team. Now even today's session is also recording. You can see it in the screen here, team. Every session will be shared to you where you can access, team. Once you get enrolled, team, in our website TrioTech software trainings, if you go, you will be going to this login, team. And once you pass your user ID and password, and once you sign in, you will be getting your dashboard, team. If you scroll down, enrolled courses, if you go, okay, you have your course that which you will be enrolling, team. Okay, go to the course, and then everyday sessions will upload into the portal, team. This is last month batch, team. And you can see the topic wise. This is password protected. You will be getting the password over the email after the enrollment, team. So once you pass the session, you can able to access here, team. So this will be for lifetime. Once the access given to you, you can reset the password. That will be for lifetime, team. And then as part of this program, we will be providing you the Fusion application server access for 5 months, both private and public cloud. When I say private, it's going to be our private server, non-refreshable, team. Usually everywhere in the market, if you see, you will be getting the demo servers. Every 1 day, 2 days or 3 days, Oracle will refresh that application. Whatever you configured in that, they will get refreshed, team. But we provide, along with the public cloud instances, private server. For 5 months exclusively, you can able to practice end-to-end full life cycle of project implementation in that. So non-refreshable private server you will be getting for 5 months period, team. And for every module, step-by-step student manuals you will be getting. See, once you get enrolled today, team, you will be getting this drive link to you. So all module-wise materials, team, absence, compensation, core HR, fast formula, outbound. If you go to your folder of the module, team, you can able to find out. See, this is one of the sample form material for core HR, team. Step by step, every class that I'm going to start from tomorrow, even from today, what we started is documented, team, with its regular normal English that what we use in the day-to-day life to understand easily. We have a custom manuals prepared with screenshots, team, step by step, step by step. By looking at this 130-page document of core HR module, you can implement core HR module without attending my sessions also. That detailed user manuals for every module you will be getting as part of the materials, team. And for every module, you will be getting the assignments also, team. You will be having the assignments shared with you, team, for every module. And you will be practicing for every module, team. Then a part of this, as part of the placement assistance, team, one-to-one doubts assistance will be there. We have a dedicated WhatsApp support or call support every day between 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST. You can able to reach out for any sort of doubts. Every day in the class, then and there, I will be there to address, team. But in the meantime, when you are practicing, if you have any doubts, you will be given with a WhatsApp support, team. And also you will be added into WhatsApp group as well, team, Any communication that I have to do with you, I will be doing from that group. And then, as I told you, live projects will be given for every module as an assignments team. What are the projects that I personally worked on or working on? From that, the requirements I will be giving to you as part of the assignments. You can able to practice that in the system, and you can able to give it for evaluation also team. And we will be giving you support on resume preparation, the most crucial part team. Everyone, either it is a fresher, experienced, or anything team, we are going to provide you a bunch of sample resumes team. In the drive folder, you can see there is a folder by name sample resumes. All sample resumes will be provided team. Once you prepare the draft version and you share it to us, we will be helpful to you for updating that in a correct way team. And for every module team, it's not about only interview questions. We are going to give you interview question and answers team. See, in the drive folder, you will have a folder by name interview questions. If you go here team, from basic fresher questions to real-time scenario-based team, everything is documented. These all collected from our student feedbacks. We usually have a habit team. I personally have this habit. I will ask my students to record their interview when they are giving team, so that we can able to collect a bunch of real-time questions. So we prepared these materials from that. The scenario-based questions, fresher questions with answers team. Every question with answer. So if you prepare these all documents, 300-400 question and answers materials we have team, at least 70% of your interview you can clear from that. 30% sensibly you have to answer, because every interviewer will come with a different mind. We can't map everyone. It's not a all-in-one that what we have seen in our 10th standard. But 70% of your questions in the interviews you can able to address if you follow this interview question and answers booklets team. So this repository you will be getting as part of the placement support. And every Saturday in our institute in Hyderabad team, we will be conducting the mock interviews, morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 2 o'clock. I will be also involving personally and panel from my colleague team. I mean, people who are working in different companies, my friends and colleagues, they will be also participating here team. People who are interested in the time of placements team, first you can able to give the mock interviews to us. This is very important thing. I constantly push the students, but some of you will be reluctant to attend. Might be the fear issues or whatever team. Attending a mock will give you more confidence before team. It's a kind of preparation, or it's a kind of how the pre-final will be there in our examination team in our schooling time before the final exam, something like that. You'll be understanding the questioning pattern, how it will be and all team. So this will be taken every Saturday team. Even people who are not from Hyderabad, you can attend it through online through Zoom. Okay. And team, we will be also helping you with the referrals team, both for full-time and freelancing work, because TrioTech is not something we floated 1 year back or 2 years back. From 2015, close to 2016 onwards, we are into this industry team. Many trained students from us, now they are in very good positions team. They are into director level also. So every month they will be reaching out team for the trained resources for their projects. So from our student batches, whatever we conduct every month team, we will be sharing the candidates for the interviews also. From our side also, we will be sharing the referrals team, and then we will be supporting you in the placement point of view with all these things. Now coming to the course pricing part and the session start date. Today we have a demo. Again, I'm telling team, today we have a demo. From tomorrow, regular classes will be starting team. Same time, 8 to 9. So before that, please confirm your enrollments team. Whoever filled the Google form, we can able to reach out to you. Whoever not yet filled the Google form, our admin team will drop it again in the chat box team. Please fill out, or else I will be missing you for following up team. Please fill the Google form. Now coming to the course price. what is the course price? The regular course price will be 25,000 team, but we are going up with an early bird Diwali offer. For day one, we will give usually, that is offer valid for today, that is before tomorrow's class. Whoever getting enrolled team, the offer price will be 22,999, and with some additional benefits also you will be getting. What team? Usually you will be getting 5 months of server access, I told you. But people enrolling with this early bird registrations team, you will be getting 2 months of additional private server access worth rupees 6,000 team. You can check, usually private server hardly you can find in the market team. So people enrolling in this will be getting 7 months of server access team. So you can get this benefit out of this team. And also real-time project HDL templates and real-time project fast formulas team. So here in our curriculum, we have HDL as a concept is their team. So real-time project ready-made templates. You don't need to brainstorm team. Directly you can use them in your real-time projects. That ready-made HDL templates for all business object. And the most difficult part people will feel, fast formulas team. Across absence, payroll, compensation, ready-made fast formulas, more than 100 plus ready-made real-time business requirements. What we worked on and what fast formulas we configured for our client, that ready-made fast formula requirements with solutions, that document also you will be getting team as part of this registration. So I request everyone, please complete your enrollment before tomorrow's class team, so that you will be getting new meeting link for tomorrow's session. Only for enrolled participants we will be sharing the new meeting link. And once the enrollment completed team, two things will be done. You will be shared with the portal access team for the videos, and you will be added into October month WhatsApp group. That is the identity team. If you are not in the group, I cannot share any communication with you. So once you enroll, portal access, you will be getting over the email, and your number will be added into WhatsApp group. And from tomorrow, regular classes will be starting, and new meeting link will be shared to the participants who enrolled to the course team. First demo session will be offered on a free basis. From tomorrow, enrolled participants will be allowed team. So this will be the benefits additionally you will be getting, and this is the course offer price. Now, before taking up the questions team, one thing I want to make you clear. Fresher point of view, people asking me, Kumar, freshers have the calls. Definitely, there are companies who recruiting freshers also. When I say freshers, you might be college passed out, 2 years, 3 years after your graduation, you might have a gap team. You can see some of our student success stories in the last month and this month team. Company by name DriveStream. Here you can see Harsha, Shiva, and then we have Valueverse Consulting, and we have something called Avalon Software Solutions, and we have something called B-Trions. These all recruited freshers only. These all are fresher people with 1 year, 2 year gap team. So companies do recruit freshers also in this technology team. No doubt about that. Okay. And team, coming to the referral program in the WhatsApp group, you will be getting like this. Whenever we have, see, from B-Trans, we got a requirement team. From Clover Infotech, from Avalon Software Services, trained freshers they want team. So the HR email, the HR contact person, and the communication will be shared to you. You can able to apply to that team from our side. And you can see some of our students who got placed in the company's team, like Deloitte, Evosys, Mastech, Tech Mahindra, Apps Associate. And these are the recent success stories team. I cannot display their pictures because of several security issues. The reason is, right, some of you keeping some experiences and you are trying out for the jobs. So that doesn't looks good if I portray their images team. But you can follow our YouTube channel and you can follow our Instagram channel for the student reviews or feedback team. And if you want to see some of the placement proofs here team from the batches, students who got placed, they replying us back with the kind of gratitude messages or informing us with happiness or happy news team, like they got placed with the so-called packages in so-called company like that. You can find these all testimonials in the Google reviews also team. If you go to TrioTech software trainings here, okay, you can find directly team. These all are the student reviews only. It's not something that we can get, right. These are all the recent completed students. You can check out team, recent batch completed or who got placed and all. We can find all the reviews, everything here team. So this is about the demo that which I planned for today team. I hope with this session every one of you might be clear by this time what is this Oracle HCM cloud application is about, and once we learn this technology, what could be the career team, long lasting career you can be expect in this ERP team. The most concern people have, Kumar, in IT we have a misconception like every 1 year 2 year we have to switch the jobs, Kumar. No, we don't have that scenario now team. In ERP applications you have a very long shelf life, next 15-20 years in the market. If you want to be on a very good respectful and a steady growth application team, fusion applications are one among them. Any ERP you take, Oracle Fusion, SAP, PeopleSoft, any other team, ERP applications will have very long shelf life. If you take SAP or e-business suite of Oracle team, from last 40-45 years in the market, they are in 1980s, they were launched. Even now, people working in that team. Same goes with Fusion. Now we are at the starting of this product. Last 8-9 years only, this product actually started in the market team. The life will be for next 20-25 years. Blindly we can go with that. So people no need to hesitate that every 1 year every 2 years I have to learn some new technology or else I will get outdated from that. Nothing like that team. So once you entered, that's all. It's a retirement kind of thing you can plan. But while you entering only, the right company with right package we have to enter. Okay. So this is about today's demo team. So before taking up the questions team, I request everyone to please complete the enrollments tonight or tomorrow morning so that we will be sharing the new Zoom meeting link for the enrolled participants from tomorrow team. Now, let me open the forum for Q&A. So any questions in today's session team, anything related to the subject, please ask me here team. But anything from your personal thing, if you have something experiences or fake experiences, let us discuss that offline because the forum is recording here. We can discuss it offline. You can reach out in this number team. You can make a note of it. 8179563510. Either me or admin will respond and they will divert that call to me tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, first off, I will be available from 11 o'clock and I will be able to take up the calls team. Now, let me know if you have any questions in today's demo session team.
Hi, Kumar. I have one question.
Hi, Murtaz. Yes.
So I've already paid for the course. Do you want me to still submit the Google form?
No problem. That we will update you, Murtaz. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And one more thing, for HCM consultants, after implementation, what work do they usually have to do? Is it kind of like they're only hired for implementing a core HR module and then they're let go, or is it continuous work?
No, basically that depends upon the modules that our client having in the project. So if client having core HR, absence, payroll, talent in the scope, we will be working on the configurations, implementation in the system. Now, when a client purchases it, blank application will be coming up. We have to configure all the modules with the client's data. And once we hand over, then they can start using the application in their day-to-day life. Our role will be implementing the system. Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Next.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Kumar. This is Pratibha. So, can we use AI in HCM Cloud?
AI replacing a HCM is not a question anymore here, but we can use AI as a supporting tool within the Fusion application. Something for data kind of data filling automatically in the system, something like that we can use. But AI cannot replace our work in this application.
Okay. And in a HRMS, we don't have much updates. Like we have employee policies and much more. So we don't have any, major updates in HCM. So how could we sustain a long life?
No, no, I didn't get that. What is the question here? In HRMS, in EBS, we have.
In HRMS, like in outside HR, in HR, we don't have much changes, right? Every year we don't have any much updates. Like
See, it's
we
not
have
about
to.
that. We are working on a software application for handling that activities. When I say upgrades within the application, new functionalities within the usage of the application, I'm talking about. Okay.
Yeah, but without any updates in HRMS, how we could update our system? That's my actual question.
You are using a mobile phone. Every year, what changes will come in that? I mean, the way of life, anything is changing in that. But application wise, new functionalities they are bringing in. Earlier, we used to scroll the contacts from up to down. Now they might be giving an option to export. Earlier, if you want to sync your contacts, we used to copy the contacts to SIM card and we have to copy it here. Now they're giving a sync option. This is what enhancement means. Why you are worried about HR policies, whether they are upgrading or not? Here it is existing HR mechanism, how the functionality wise in the system they can improvise. That is we will be looking at.
Okay.
Hi, Kumar.
Yes, Singh, please.
Yeah. Kumar, actually, I want to the specific of the technically side perspective of the technically.
Okay.
I want to go to that too. So it's possible in the any certification in technical side
See,
and
in
SCM.
Fusion application, technical side certification, Oracle not offering. Only for functional modules, we have certification.
Oh, entire SCM is technical certifications in na?
Yeah, module wise, they're offering the certification. In tomorrow's
Okay.
class, I'm going to take up that topic actually, certifications.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Kumar. Hello,
Yes,
Kumar.
Pradha.
This is Prudha.
Yeah,
I have a doubt on the payroll management. You said you would give training on payroll management. Which region payroll
registration.
manage?
Which
Yeah.
legislation is your
Yeah.
question?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be giving a kind of global payroll, Prudha, something like we will take example of US, UK, Middle East. If we cover in these three perspectives, you can do any type of project.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Kumar, just to follow up to my first question.
Yes, Murtaz.
You said a company would hire us to implement or configure one of these core modules, right?
Correct.
So once that work is done, is it kind of like what work would we have left to do? Like, are we let go?
No, it's not about. Yeah, I mean, like for example, you are working for a company called Deloitte is there. Okay.
Okay.
You are hired in Deloitte. Now Deloitte got the project from Amazon. Okay, let's say Amazon bought the product from Oracle. They want to use that in their in-house HR operations. Now you are working in Deloitte. Murtaza working in Deloitte. Now we got deployed here for Amazon client project. So the project scope is for 6 months or 1 year or something like that. Okay, depends upon the modules we are implementing size. The time will be decided. 1 year is there. We configured it. Everything is done. After the implementation, company cannot use the application by their own. They want support for that. So from implementation, they will renewal the project to support also. So we might get extended. If our billing is high, company might ask us to go and they will give the support project to someone. Then Murtaza from Amazon project, from Deloitte, he will move to another project. That is your company projects, how many they have. Okay.
Okay. So it goes from implementation to support to
Support
implementation.
usually.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I can see a couple of questions in the chatbot team. Let me address that also. Vamshi, sir, I have career gap of 2 years. Is it fine after learning? Definitely, Vamshi. Couple of times, as I already mentioned in the class, absolutely having 1, 2, 3 years is not a big deal. You can able to get that calls in the market. And Rishi Rathod, I'm based out in Canada. Is there another batch at different timing? Unfortunately, no Rishi. But see, people who are from different time zones. I know people from Canada and UK. You have some time differences. US people can attend. It will be morning for them. But for you people, we have something called a self-paced e-learning. Every day, whatever the sessions that happening, that will be recorded and it will be shared over the portal to you. You can cover that sessions in your convenient time. And if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us. We'll be there to assist. Pranav, are we going to learn SQL? No, we are not going to learn SQL, Pranav. But if you want any sort of materials on that, definitely I can able to help out. But in this program, we are not going to cover that because that is a separate language. SQL is alone will take 100, 120 hours of training program if you want detailedly. Okay. Technology for freelancing, definitely good. Many people working in that, and many people working for dual jobs also as a freelancing, working for one company and they're working as a freelancer for other works. There are many candidates we are seeing in that. And Sai Kumar, as I told, experience will be considered. Sai Kumar, you please reach out to me directly. I will speak with you. I think already I spoke with you, but let's discuss again offline. And I'm 41 years old. I have significant employment gap of 10 years in the region career. See, here age is not a criteria in this technology or anything in the IT. Age is not a criteria. They never look at. The only thing is properly we are preparing the gap fill or not. How we are manipulating that experiences. So 10 years gap you have. How to fill that gap? At least 4 5 years you have to fill that relevant experience something. So in that way, if you prepare, then that is not a big deal. I have a candidate by name. I don't want to mention his name, who worked for HSBC for 12 years straight at a stretch. And prior to that, he worked for 6 7 years in some other domain. His age is 44 or 45 something. He got placed in Hexaware Technologies as HCM consultant. The thing is something how we are showcasing some relevant experience in our current total gap or experience what we have team. That's all. So if you go with that plan and all,
Hello.
it's not a big deal. Okay. See,
Hello,
anything
hi.
related to personal career gaps and all, please reach out to me directly or to the team in the number as I told team. We'll discuss that. Rest of the questions, if anything is there, please let me know. Okay.
Hey,
Hello,
Kumar.
hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hello? I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Haris,
Oh, okay. I can speak.
anyone? Yeah, please, Haris, please.
You can. Let her.
Yes. So, HCM is one of the Fusion applications, correct? I've heard of applications like finance and also SCM, supply
We
chain
have
management.
different products. Yes.
Does your institute only do HCM, or do you also do other
We
modules?
do other also. We do financials, we do HCM, we do technical OIC, we do ORC as a separate course. So you can check with admin Haris what exactly you are looking for so that we can help you out. Okay.
The other question is, with these three modules, which one do you still prefer HCM as opposed to the other
Obviously, if you
modules?
ask me, I will prefer HCM only because why in Fusion system HCM became more successful is prior to Oracle, HRMS area or the HR area, if you see, PeopleSoft is the market leader. But when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, all those customers were moving to Oracle Fusion HCM. So that is why compared to supply chain or financials, HCM is bit ahead in the market competition. From the calls point of view, if you see from the point of packages also, HCM is having very good calls in the market right now. Okay.
And what about job opportunities? Are there more in HCM compared to the other
Obviously,
modules?
that's what the statement what I made is that only from the point of calls means job opportunities. When there is a demand, when there is a customer adoption is high for this technology, obviously the employees to work on this technology also will get increased, right? So the demand for job openings are also very high for HCM compared to other. Okay.
And is there any integration between finance and HCM?
Harish, please discuss it offline. I mean, I made it clear, but if further confusion, if you have, let us have other discussion one-on-one, because that gives other people also chance. Okay. Someone, any questions, team?
Yeah, hi,
Yeah.
this is Sindhu Bharat.
Hi.
Yes, Bharat.
So actually now currently I'm working into different technology in EDI. So is it possible for me to switch into this HCM?
In
And how
which
can I
technology,
showcase
Bharat? EDI.
EDI,
Okay. In which company you're working currently?
open text?
Open text with the designation of
Sorry, with
designation
integrator.
integrate. You can use that experience, no problem.
No, like how can I showcase myself if I like after learning this course, if I have to give interviews and all, people will
That's what
ask
I'm
like,
telling. See, the session is getting recorded. I can't tell all that background kind of things and all in the call is not possible to discuss. That's why I'm
okay,
telling you to discuss it offline, because see, I can't use the word something to understood, right?
okay, I
What I'm
got it.
trying to, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
For everything, there will be a solution. Only thing is the right approach we have to go. What is that? I can explain you, but not in the class today. Okay.
Oh,
So that's all for today, team. Please confirm the enrollments so that we can able to enroll you. And from tomorrow, the regular classes will be starting 8 to 9. So I would like to thank everyone for attending the session for 2 long hours, team. Sorry for taking more time because it is a demo. I have to spend more time to explain all the details in clear way. That's why we have taken some extra time. So thank you everyone, team. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue with our sessions, team. So thank you everyone and good night everyone, team.